timber! We're melting! I repeat, the road is on fire, and we're melting!
Patient launched! Soft landing confirmed.
Well, kids, it's an unexpected swimming lesson.
I've been defeated by a children's candy! We're stuck! And the cargo is chilling. I think I just flew over a pig. I'm flying! And I dropped my picnic!
We have achieved a perfect 50-50 split. Please exit the remaining half.
My own cargo defeated me! I've been bested by a squeaky toy! I can't breathe! And I lost my zen! The spoiler! My expensive spoiler! We lost the cannon! But we found a pool!
I'm afraid our arrival will be slightly Z-shaped.
The engine is skipping! The car is sinking! I hate snakes! And needles!
Code 9. We need a shovel and some hot cocoa.
The logs are fighting back! They are fighting back! The cement is setting! Fast!
Route is gone. Still in pursuit.
Just keep swimming! And sitting!
Been defeated by a breakfast pastry! Lost the wheels. But the horse is safe.
We seem to be experiencing some unusual turbulence.
It was supposed to be fuel, not fruit punch. I hate sports and giant bouncy objects. Where did my truck go? It's just a frame. The top is gone. I've been Spider-Man-ed.
Looks like we're taking a scenic break. Bring the emergency snacks.
He didn't want to get wet. Smart man. I'm sticky, and I smell like picnic.
We lost the spare tires, madam. But we survived the turn.
I'm at the bottom! I've been defeated by a tropical fruit! Cargo released. I'm running on fumes and prayers. Tire's gone. Now for the prickle flip.
The engine has gone for a swim, children!
A final resting place with a nice view of the ocean.
We made the jump, but we need a car wash.
Happy holidays! It's a gift from the road. Woo!
We are now permanently installed as a bridge monument.
Don't move! The mirror is holding us!
I've been defeated by my own kind.
The swamp just stole my motor!
I've been springboarded into the sky.
Final explosion! Everyone off the bus!
A final resting place with a giant shovel.
I've been defeated by a thorny plant.
We made the jump, but we need a lifeboat. The softest crash ever. And the loudest.
Just a minor structural separation, still arriving on time.
The axle is holding! The axle is holding!
Defeated by rubber. And I'm dizzy.
Cargo released. It's a sweet, fluffy escape.
I'm a trophy, a very hot trophy.
Looks like our emergency supplies include bath toys.
A final resting place, caught by a fisherman. I've been defeated by a giant fruit. We made the jump. Now we're a giant pancake accessory. The softest crash ever. And the quickest melt.
Just a minor structural separation. I'll need a lift.
We're dispensing beverages. But we're stuck.
I've been bested by a squeaky toy and a snack. Cargo released. I'm running on snake eyes.